Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over why you are not able to see your ranked play skin, or why it's not popping up and why you basically don't own it. And I'm just going to be explaining how to get it and why it's not popping up. So the first reason why it might not be popping up is because this is actually your first season of playing ranked play. And if you did play ranked play before, you never got higher than gold, so that is probably why. Because the only way to get the ranked play skin in the first place is that you need to finish a season with gold or above. So only way to get that is obviously, let's just say last season you were gold 2, and once you go to your ranked play skin, you will see the gold competitor. And if this is your first season only, so let's just say this is your first season of playing Warzone ranked play and you are gold or above, let's just say your plat, your diamond, your crimson, whatever, you're also not going to get it until the season ends. So let's just say I'm diamond right now. When the season ends and this is my highest rank, then I'm going to get the skin. Then I'm going to get the diamond skin. I'm not going to have, I don't obviously you can tell I'm diamond 2 right now, but I'm not going to have access to the diamond skin. I only have access to plat and gold, because I got these in the previous seasons. So again, the only way to get it is you have to wait for the season to finish, and you have to make sure you got any rank including gold and above. So you have to make sure you got gold or above. And yeah, so that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.